205, good. That's pretty solid. I probably should use the chugs. See, like, how do you get work like that, sir? What gaming equipment are you giving away? I'm not 100% sure yet. That'll be sorted out for the next one. For the next day of this stream. This is 2 days. Today will be the customs and the giveaways, and then we'll have more for the second day as well. Oh my god, OG Scout Trooper. It's a pro. OG Scout Trooper. Chill. It's John. Wait, I just auto-mantled. Wait, what? I edit down, I move forward, it auto-mantles me. But I didn't mantle though. Wait, how do I disable that? I don't think you can, Rip. Crown check, okay, I see you right there. Crown check. We got 30 crown wins, okay. That's pretty good. What level are you? 280. That's not bad, alright? 280. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty decent. I'll take it. Let's go here. It's 205, good. That's pretty solid. Is 120 good? That's alright. 603 good. XP glitch. Put that big part in my mouth. Go to settings and then bro, everyone always says that. Make sure it's on whole jump. I obviously know that, man. That's not auto mantle. That's not what it is. That's got nothing to do with auto mantle. This is completely different. Wow, I had 2 shotguns in my inventory. That's why, okay. Yes, it does. But how come then that setting is on hold jump, but it always auto mantles still? It's because it's got nothing to do with it, and it's how it is. You can't disable auto mantle. It's like a feature. Okay. Grab this. Yeah, we need to take it slow. We don't have any reboots, y'all. When you have no reboots, you gotta like be really careful. Take it slow, play it smart, you know what I mean? It's like loot up. There we go. The reload loot's the best it's ever been, Capty. What are you saying, man? That guzzle juice is 120 good. It's alright. 603 good. XP glitch. Put that big part in my mouth. Go to settings, and then bro, everyone always says that. Make sure it's on whole jump. I obviously know that, man.